Hey Unity developers, welcome back to Herbster Games. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every game developer out there: unit testing in Unity. I will show you how to set up the unit tests, and a solution to one specific error that might occur from your unit test setup. Unit testing might sound like a daunting task, but trust me, once you understand its power, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, writing unit tests can save you countless hours of debugging and ensure the stability and reliability of your game. Before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to smash that like button, share this tutorial, and hit subscribe for more awesome tutorial videos. Now, let's begin. In this project, I am setting up a scripts folder under the Assets directory. Next, navigate to the Window tab and locate the test runner under General. There are two categories of tests, one for play mode and another for edit mode. Create a test assembly folder, and put a test script in that folder. Next, we will create two scripts for this tutorial: TestClass and TestManager. In TestClass, we will define two string variables into the object definition for name and description, alongside the creation of a class constructor. Moving on to the TestManager script. Set some variables for the current name and current description, and create an instance of the test class within the start method. Once we initiate the class instance, assign its values to the current name and description. Forgot to create the get methods for TestClass, so we need to go back to the other script and fix that. Then, open up the test script we created at the beginning. One thing to note here is while test executes all operations at once, Unity Test allows code to execute with intervals between each step. We will not use Unity Test this time, as we do not care about time for the methods. In the test method, let's initialize the TestManager instance. We have the logic in the start method, which the test script cannot utilize, so we need to split the logic into a separate method to allow calling the method in the test script. Make sure the name matches our expectations by performing an assert. Execute the tests on the UI and see if any problem occurs. We found some issues here. Let's try creating a game object named TestManager and attach the script to it. Wait. We encountered an error here, stating, the script is an editor script. What went wrong? After doing some research, I realized this error indicates a mistake I made when setting up the tests. They were created as edit mode tests instead of play mode tests. Even though TestManager inherits from the monoBehavior class, it was recognized as an editor script and could not be applied to a game object. To resolve this, I have to delete and recreate both the test and test assembly components using play mode instead. Separate and organize the TestClass and TestManager into the scripts folder for better management. For us to use scripts from different directories in the test assembly, we need to establish an assembly definition in each folder. I will name my assembly definition all scripts and reference it in the ASMDEF file. Return to the test script and set up a new test. Check to see if the creation of the instance, and its associated name. It is successful. Then, Use debug.log to display a message to show us what got generated, and purposefully create a wrong description expectation and watch how it looks on a failed test result. Repeat one more time with a new test, but this time to test the creation of the TestManager and the method we created on it. Looks good. The name and description are both printed on the test now. Remember, unit testing isn't just about finding bugs, it's about building robust, reliable code that forms the foundation of your game. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, integrating unit testing into your workflow can streamline your development process and ultimately lead to a better player experience. If you found this video helpful and want more tutorial videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Unity tutorials. Feel free to drop a comment in the section below if there is any question or topic you would like me to cover, and I will try to incorporate that into our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!